We always think like this. There is so much that is wrong with the society we live in. There is so much about ourselves that we wish to change. In an attempt to make ourselves better and to change our society, many times we forget to be grateful for the things we do have. We focus too much on the negative that the positive loses its place in our hearts. This is a short exercise for all of us. Try to say at least one thing you are grateful for to anyone you have contacted today. Then, observe yourself to see how good you feel at the beginning of your day after doing this. And then you see how your emotion will be better by the end of the day. Pick a day of the week and make it a grateful day, and follow exactly the same procedure of gratefulness every single week. You know, life is the result of what we do every day. And if you actively do good things, the result will be like what you wish. If you have a problem with a family member, start to write down a list of all the things you are grateful for about that person. And I'm sure there is so many. Remember to thank them for making you want to be positive in life. And when you focus all of your energy on appreciation, you will not only limit yourself to negativity, but will also attract positive people into your life.